This is the charging procedure for the Bladez Toyz Salvation 3D helicopter with the USB pin jack charger. So first of all, your first step is to make sure the helicopter is turned off at the switch. That helicopter has to be on the off position during all charging procedures. So this is the USB cable. I'm going to plug that into the port, and you'll see that the red light comes on. Once the red light is on, take your charger here, you plug that into the side of the helicopter. You'll notice the red light has gone off on the USB, which indicates that the helicopter is charging. When the red light comes back on, the helicopter is fully charged. So we're going to unplug the charger now. I'm going to turn the helicopter on, leave it on a flat surface. I'm going to turn the handset on. You'll notice the red light is flashing. Basically, you're just going to arm the helicopter to the handset by pressing that stick up, pulling it back down, red light stays on. Now your helicopter's ready to fly.